So today we're going to take a look at how to get some free seller leads using your KV Core and taking advantage of some of the great free stuff that's out there that you can easily just doing a little walking around the neighborhood, hanging some stuff to take advantage of that. So when you're in your KV Core, yours might look like this. Click on the three lines to make it bigger. You're going to go to Lead Engine Build Squeeze Page. Again, Lead Engine Build Squeeze Page. You're going to be here. You're going to click on Seller Squeeze at the top. Now the source, I'm just going to put Facebook. If you're doing Instagram, if you're doing anywhere, YouTube one like this now, I could put YouTube in here even. I'll do that for you. You can do YouTube, whatever the source is, though someone may click on that link would be right there. Now my hashtag, I'm going to do SQ for Seller Squeeze. And since I'm in San Antonio, I'm going to do SQ_San Antonio. And then you click on it till it turns gray. You want to make sure it turns gray. And then the location, I'm going to do San Antonio. And then you can see right here where it says city, you click on city, don't hit the neighborhood. Want to make sure you hit city, and then you have all this filled out, and all you hit is generate link. Now the direct link and the short link are the same link, so don't get freaky about that. Just accept it and be happy. I use the short link, it's just easier to work with. You go to the right, you click on copy to clipboard and copy that. Then I'm going to open a new tab, I'm in Chrome, and I'm going to type QR Monkey. And once you go to QR Monkey and search it, what it is right here, it's a free QR code generator. So it's qrcode-monkey.com. When you go to QR code monkey right here, you go right there to the URL and you paste what I just copied in there. So I'm pasting it in there in the URL, very simple, and hit generate code. And that's it. Now I have my QR code. And what the QR code is when someone clicks on it, I'll show you. Let it load up. So what this QR code does, they'll click it with their phone, of course, scan it, and it'll pop up right here. The average price in San Antonio is $384. What's yours worth? Your potential clients, they'll click on that, put in their address. Once they put their address, it's going to load up, and it's going to say you can either download your home value or you can see it instantly right now. If to do that, they have to sign in. So to see the actual CMA, the home value, they have to sign in. So it's a great way to get easy leads. So now that I have this QR code, of course, I'm going to download it because I need it to be able to work with it. And as you can see, it takes a second, it generates it and just automatically downloads it. So do not X out right here. Don't close it. Don't do anything like that. And this is a QR code for San Antonio. So I'm going to do it right there. And I'm going to hit save. And that's my QR code for San Antonio. Good to go. Now I'm going to get rid of this. I don't need this anymore. And then what you take with this, I'm going to open Avery. So Avery, you can buy door hangers. They're very inexpensive. It's like $80 for $15 or something like that. Very cheap. And then once you go to Avery, you just sign into your account. Once you sign in, you go to your projects. Now if you just search the door hanger number, like this is 16150, and you search that template. I'm going to open the project and show you an example of what it is. So you take that door hanger QR code, you go here to Avery, and you make a very simple message. For example, this is the top of my door hanger. And then all it says, would you sell your home for the right price? Scan here to get your instant value. Boom, right there. Now this has 2 tearaways. And on my tearaway, of course, it has my website and my name and everything else. So they know that I'm with EXP, my broker at the time. And then on the back, I have a little thing on the back of my main one. I have a little wording, this is who I am. Here's my website. Everything's a direct link. Because again, if you go to my website, my IABS is there. Which realtors, we have to have a direct link to our IABS and all of our stuff. So it's very simple. So again, you take this, I can take this picture, I can put a prettier house, I can make a better colors. I just did this quickly to show for the video here, and you can make it look really nice. So go through and have fun with it, scan it, play with it, have a good time. And then at that point, you should be able to hang these out. So if you get 80 for 15 bucks, and you make these, print them off, pay someone if you need someone to help you print them, go to Office Max, Office Depot, wherever. And then remember, realtors in San Antonio, anyway, in Texas, we have a discount all there in Texas, so feel free to go and enjoy the discount for printing. If you don't know the discount code, reach out to me and I'll send that to you. It's a free code. All realtors have the same code. and then you can get like 10 or 20% off of all your printing and all your costs there at Office Depot and Office Mask. And then you can knock that out. And then just print these off, hang them on, slide slits right there, hang them on the doors, get free people. They'll walk up, they'll scan it, get a value, get seller leads. Hope that helps you guys out. Easy way to get some free seller leads. Talk to you soon.